We want something. No, please. Hold on. We want the national chairman and the team to look into other demands that we have made. Number one of them, again, is the expulsion of Senator Bukola Saraki because of his anti-party activities. Before this decision of yesterday, the party has been granted and stagnated in Kwara because the party leadership is directly under the control of Senator Bukola Saraki. But with this development, the party is going to be repositioned very soon. And Saraki is the arrowhead of APC in Kwara State. And now that is leaving the party, it is common sense or common knowledge that as soon as it's exported, all other people will follow, whether they are, including the governor, whether they are expelled or not. So, but in our demands, the letter we submitted to the chairman a couple of days ago, we are equally calling for his expulsion and that of the Balogun Fulani.
What has been the reaction of the party secretariat in this your new demand? Have you met them?
Yes,